Hi class, for this lab, all I need you to do is open this link, and this link is going to actually take you to this file. And what we're going to do is we're basically going to run a one variable stats, and this actual code already has all the commands that you would have on the calculator. The only requirement is that when you enter the actual values, that they're all basically in one chunk. So you can leave a space, it'll recognize it as a 0, and then keep writing. So all the numbers have to be together. So for this one, input a 34, a 12, let's do a 5, a 60, a 90, a 55, and let me put a 12. Okay, so what this code is actually doing, as long as we input all the data values together, it's actually creating or evaluating the one variable stats that we were doing with the calculator, except that we're going to be using this file for later homework assignments, especially if you have to evaluate well, a very large data set. So this is what I need you to do. For this lab, take a screenshot of this output, basically submit it here as the assignment. Now, I do need you to save this file, and you'll need it once we start chapter 3, especially if you're evaluating a large data set. And all you have to do is to save it is you go to File and then make a copy. At that point, since you already have a Google Docs account, it'll save it as one of your copies. Save it as any, you can put any name, but you're going to be using this for the project. So for this one, just enter that data set and then make sure that it's calculating everything as expected. Don't worry about these yet. Those will be used later. So for this actual lab, just submit the actual output. So enter the data and the screenshot of what you see.